Commander Camisa.
Good evening. Good evening, everyone. We will now proceed to the proclamation proper. First to be proclaimed will be the candidate for Member House of Representatives. We will request the winning candidate to face around. We, the undersigned members of the Provincial Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 22 city and municipalities for the candidates for Member House of Representatives in the elections held on May 12, 2025. That after such canvass, it appears that Sheen Gonzalez garnered 169,213 votes for the office of Member House of Representatives, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim Sheen Gonzalez winning candidate as the duly elected member. For the proclamation of winning candidate for provincial governor, we will request the winning candidate to stay in front, please. We, the undersigned members of the Provincial Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 22 city municipalities for the candidates for provincial governor in the elections held on May 12, 2025. That after such canvass, it appears that R.B. Bardone garnered 188,919 votes for the office of provincial governor, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim R.B. Bardone the winning candidate of the provincial governor. Congratulations. For the winning candidate for provincial vice governor, we request the winning candidate to stay in front. Thank you. We, the undersigned members of the Provincial Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 22 city municipalities for the candidates for provincial vice governor in the election held on May 12, 2025. That after such canvass, it appears that Maricar Season garnered 155,358 votes for the office of provincial vice governor, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim Maricar Season the winning candidate as the duly elected provincial vice governor, province of Eastern Samar. Congratulations.
May nila siya, importante may nila. Sir. Boss o boss.
Yan. Nice one.
Kalinin mo yan. Okay. Oy, boys. Kamu ano? Bas. Ay ka din. Boys. Ito boys. Para ito. Dapat ito nga yung Trinity. Ori.
Amon.
Mr. Chairman, the honorable members of the Provincial Board of Canvassers, the people of this third summer has spoken and voted overwhelmingly for a young, vibrant, and dynamic leadership. After their proclamation, we would like to request the honorable board to recognize our winning candidates, Congressman Shin Gonzales and Governor R.V. Ibardon, to be given the chance to speak and address and say their thanks to their supporters and the people of Eastern Samar. I so move, Mr. Chairman.
The motion not being contrary to law, we grant the motion.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mupay ako lo pa ating tanan. Mupay gabi ngayon. Senior canvassers, ating tanan din muna nagpapasalamat ako ito na sa pagkagawa mo Diyos na iya paghatag niya ating hapon na poder. Yung sinipikan na iya Kedua, kada yung tao, ito yung Mr. Samar.
Speaker, butihay.
Pasalamatan ko, ito yung pagtapos. Sigurado na hindi pagkakawangan o yung pagkatapos, yung pagkakapaghatod. Ang aral ito na akong pamilya, Gonzales, Libanan, Dilihi, Batanonoy, Namayla, mga sige, aking pamilya. Ang aral tamang pamilya, bilalakuhin, salamat sa iyo sa mga tanan. Dahil itong pamilya ni Governor Ben, Nalanirap paghataghin tugyan sa ako. Bilalakuhin nga salamat. Rest assured, Mr. Samar, ada ka mo'y mahupay ng mga kampanya.
Kupay niya gabi ko no iyo na tanan mga ano yan na board of canvassers, atong mga lawyers, atong mga bisita, mga supporters, mga kapamilya. Salamat. Salamat, salamat, salamat ha iyo mga tanan. Talaga di masasayang iyo pagtapon hamon nga mga provincial leaders. Kaya di kami sigurado 100% garantisado na magsiservisyo para ng ating probinsya. Na maaram ako, pira kadlaw, pira kasemana, pira kabulan. Since October, ito na ito na journey. Pero magtitigang pala. Magtitigang pala, kaya dito na mga bagong mga leaders para pagservisyoan ito na ito binahal na probinsya sa Milacan Samar. So damo nga salamat, haniyo pagtapos, haniyo paghigugma, haniyo pagsuporta. Thank you very much.
Maupay nga gabi aton na tanan. Dako na akong pagpasalamat nga ang among timan sa dito progreso inin para Eastern Samar iyo pinag-usa. I hope na inin among termino for 2025 to 2028 makita manggod na magbunga inin pagkaurusa para kaupayan ang Eastern Samar. Thank you very much.
We will also proclaim the winning candidates for board members, second district tonight. We're just generating the certificate canvas votes and proclamation. For the first district candidates, we are still awaiting the results of the canvas of votes from Oras. Because there is one barangay which is still conducting election because it lacked the 250 ballots. The barangay is Barangay Bolo. So for that for the apparently winning candidates, board member first district, just wait for the results. Tentative maybe this evening around 11 or 12. If not, then we have to take a recess. We will resume tomorrow at 9 o'clock, and as soon as the results is received by the board, we will proclaim the winning candidates for First District Board members.
Pwede na.
Dari ka daw mali. Dari ka daw mali.
Mr. Chair, clarificatory motion. Should we proceed with the proclamation for winning board members for the second district?
Yes, it's already, the certificate of canvass of votes is already being generated by the consolidation canvassing system.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
In the meantime, you can take pictures.
The family of Kong Shin, kung gusto lang ng pictures, pwede na while waiting for the printing of the certificate of conduct.
Ikaw mo ba? Ikaw mo?
Live ako. Puro picture. Live ako. Live. Alvin.
Okay. The family of Governor Arvin, Grace, Benjo, Ruben, Everett. Si Benz. Typing. Alam. Calling, typing, paging, Governor, Congressman, and Vice Governor. The picture.
Good evening once again. We now proceed to the proclamation of the winning candidates for the board members, Sangguniang Palalawigan, 2nd District. May we request Paul Gonzales. Partner. Nice spin. Huh? We, the undersigned members of the Provincial Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 12 municipalities for the candidates therein for members Sangguniang Palalawigan in the elections held on May 12, 2025. It appears that Paul Gonzales obtained votes of 72,421. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim Paul Gonzales as the number 1 winning candidate, duly elected member of the Palalawigan, 2nd District, Province of Eastern Samar. Congratulations. May we request Cristel Yadao if she's around. We, the undersigned members of the Provincial Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 12 municipalities for the candidates therein for member Sangguniang Palalawigan in the elections held on May 12. And that Cristel Yadao obtained 71,570 votes, the second highest number of votes obtained. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim Cristel Yadao as a winning candidate, duly elected members Sangguniang Palalawigan in Samar, 2nd District, Pablo Business in Samar. Congratulations. May we request Yvette by Pantoy Gaidon if she's around to come forward. We, the undersigned members of the Provincial Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 12 municipalities for the candidates for members ng Sangguniang Palalawigan in the elections held on May 12, 2025. It appears that Yvette Bandoy Gaylon obtained 71,092 votes. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim Yvette Bandoy Gaylon as winning candidate, duly elected members ng Sangguniang Palalawigan of Eastern Samar 2nd District. Congratulations, ma'am.
Maganda yung sinaboarding pa. Kasi ako ka na pag-ulit, may kanya lang.
Eh, para simbahan.
May we request Attorney Pearl Ibardoni, please around. We, the members of the Provincial Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 12 municipalities for the candidates for members ng Sangguniang Palalawigan in the elections held on May 12, 2025. It appears that Attorney Pearl Ibardoni obtained the votes of 60,872. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim Attorney Pearl Ibardoni winning candidate, duly elected members ng Sangguniang Palalawigan, Eastern Samar 2nd District. Congratulations, Tanya. Nestonit Cablau. We, the undersigned members of the Provincial Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 12 municipalities for the candidates for members ng Sangguniang Palalawigan in the elections held on May 12, 2025. It appears that Nestonit Cablau obtained 52,657 votes. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim Nestonit Cablau winning candidates as the duly elected members ng Sangguniang Palalawigan of Eastern Samar 2nd District. Congratulations, sir. Good evening once again. The Provincial Board of Canvassers will take a recess to resume as soon as the certificate of canvass of votes is received and transmitted by the Provincial Board of Canvassers. Political parties, councils, candidates are notified in open session. Good evening, everyone. That's it for this evening. Congratulations to the winners.